Still downloading Microsoft Office manually from a browser? What if I told you that Windows can install it directly from PowerShell in just a few commands? No websites, no searching, no hunting for download buttons. Let's do it. Let's get started. First, press the Windows key. Type PowerShell. Right-click Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. You'll now see a PowerShell window open. This is where we'll enter our commands. Before searching for Office, let's make sure Wingit has the latest package information. Type Wingit Source Update. Then press Enter. Wingit will refresh its package database and connect to the latest sources. Now type the command to start your download. Wingit install ID Microsoft Office Exact. Then press Enter. Wingit will automatically download and install the Office package. You may be prompted to accept agreements the first time. Simply confirm and continue. The installation may take several minutes depending on your internet speed. During this process, Wingit downloads the required Office files directly from Microsoft servers. No third-party websites involved. Just sit back and let it finish. After the installation completes, press the Windows key and search for Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. If they appear in the Start menu, the installation was successful. Launch any Office app and sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted. And that's it. You just installed Microsoft Office directly from PowerShell without opening a browser. If you found this useful, consider subscribing for more Windows shortcuts, hidden commands, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.